Hello guys, welcome to the channel. All right, we have a flash here. We want to show you how to install LinuxMint on an Acer system. This is a 6th gen Acer. All right, what is required here? You need your system to be in a legacy mode, okay, for you to be able to do this. All right, so you press F2. That's what I pressed, all right, to get to the BIOS setup. All right, then you have to make sure your bootable drive is your flash drive, which we are just doing. We set it up to be the first bootable drive, then it must be in legacy. All right, if you don't have a legacy on your BIOS, is a problem, okay, on this type of method, because I'm going to show for new EFI later on, but this is for mainly for legacy. All right, so we are trying to run it. All right, it has tried to load through UEFI. Now we are in legacy mode. All right, that is the LinuxMint. Okay, so we'll continue. All right, so you can see the setup. All right, then where you say you have to start, then we press enter to continue. Okay, and it's loading. It's going to take a while. I want to apologize, my screen is not too clear for you to see, so please just bear with me. Let's take it through this step. Okay, yeah, you can see that it's trying to checkmate the system, the hardware and everything before it will install it. Okay, after that it's going to get to its desktop, then you see where to install. After installing, you have to wait for a while. It will load out, bring out some information for you to see, then you follow the procedure step by step. I'm going to take you step by step in doing this. All right, as we said, there's an icon there. You click on it. All right, we have clicked on it and it's not showing. Okay, it should be loading and it's not. Let's say right click, okay, and do open and see. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it's coming up now. All right, so after this, it's going to show a pretty little setup which you have to read. Just need to read it up, and you get to set it up. It's not too hard. Okay, what means of what you need to make sure you can install this application conveniently. Okay, you need your flash drive. Okay, and I've already shown you how to create a bootable flash drive. Okay, after welcome, you choose your language as usual. All right, after you have done that, after you have created your USB flash drive, okay, what you need again is your system must be highest of 6th gen, because from 6th gen you is very supportive in legacy. Okay, it's hardly you see 7th gen, 10th gen supports a legacy BIOS setup, support by legacy. All right, so because without legacy it will not work. All right, it will not work on this method. I'm still going to show you how to do that on the EFI. All right, so we are in your region where you are. You can set it. Okay, you can set it. All right, after setting this, it's just pretty setups you have to do, not much. Okay, what you have to do, just be following up, read up whatever they have to say, and you are good to go. All right, we are installing it now. Okay, what is so special about LinuxMint? What is so special about them? All right, Linux software, first of all, is a very secure, 100% secured software. Most of cyber security, they use the softwares. All right, to even developers, they like using this software because of its stamina. All right, okay, so and you can use it. It's very free, very stable, and it has a customization option where it's very flexible in their desktop environment. Then the software availability are there. You can access their software and even their communities. Okay, and it's very user friendly. All right, it's very user friendly, so it's a very good one to use. You can download it. All right, I have showed you how to do that. Okay, you can just type download from your Chrome browser, any browser you're using, download Linux operating system. You get to the site. The first site you see is the site. You get there, you choose any of them you wish to download, you get it done. Okay, I'm still going to do for basically all of them if time will permit me. All right, okay. If this video is helpful, please do well to subscribe, like, share the videos to your friends, to those that need it, to those that are around you. Okay, so this process is just, you have to, just like you leaving your Windows counting, like in the process of you installing Windows, count percentage. Okay, this is the same process you are going to experience. You are going to allow it to copy out the files down to the hard drive, which is happening now. I'm using an SSD. Okay, it's going to copy it to the SSD. Then after all this, you are going to restart the system and it boots from the LinuxMint, which has been copied to the hard SSD. Right, so it's simple as that. Okay, so we are going to wait for that to happen. Then I'm going to make this more faster so that we can be fast, and this video will not be so long for you guys. Okay, if I may ask, Linux operating system and Windows 10, Windows 11, 7, which of them are more preferable? Okay, what do you think? For me, I love Windows systems. They are convenient. Like the softwares are more familiar. People are more familiar with those softwares here in Nigeria. Okay, I don't know your region. You can also chip in your own contribution. All right. For me, Linux is a very open source operating system, and it has security. That's one thing about them I love. They have security. Like Windows, you'll be having some issues like maybe virus kind of chipping in. I know it happens in Linux, but the statistics is more slim. Okay, it's more slim, and it's very, very flexible when it comes to using their hardware being compatible to the hardware systems being compatible to their software. It's really flexible. Why do I say so? When you install Linux, you hardly have to be trying to install drivers because it comes with it. Okay, it comes with it, and after installing this Linux, you see that the Bluetooth, I don't have to go and install Bluetooth drivers. Just like Windows, you have to install all those applications again, all those drivers utility again. So that is one thing about Linux I love about, and I like the customization. That's customization. What I mean by customization, you can set it up the way you want to set it up if you know how to use their terminals very well. Okay, so that's one good thing about Linux software as well, Linux as a whole, right? Because LinuxMint is part of Linux software. Okay, so and they are well secured. As I said, you can really code on their terminal very well, very, very well. That's why cybersecurity people, they use it very well. Okay, that's the little I know. Okay, if you have an idea, you can also drop your comments on the comment section. You can also tell us more of what you know about Linux. Okay, I believe this section is almost over. Okay, all right, it's over. Let's restart the system, and that's what we are doing now. Yeah, when you restart, you remove your flash drive. Okay, for it to boot directly from the SSD. As you can see, we have removed our flash drive. It's booting to the SSD, and after this, it's going to get to the desktop. The password you put is going to show you the password, so you have to take note of the password you put. Okay, Then after that, okay, then you have to do some few setup, then you get to the desktop. Okay, all right. Yeah, we're here. We'll have to put our password. Okay, after putting your password, now it's on the desktop. Okay, you have to do few settings. Okay, you just have to read through. It's not hard. You read through all the informations. Basically, softwares that needs to be customized, you can do that if you wish to. Things are installed already. All right, these are how it is. I love it. It looks like a Windows operating system. It looks quite the same, just that the customization is different. The drivers are installed, the Bluetooth is there. All right, the Wi-Fi is still there. Okay, so I'm about to end this video now. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time, for taking time and going through it. All right, I believe you have learned a lot, and if you have, please do well to subscribe, like, share these videos to those that need it. Please do well to do that. Thank you so much. I'm going to end it now. If you have any question, please, as I said before, drop it. We'll be able to answer and to give you a response in this app. All right, thank you, take care. I'm gonna shut down now. All right, bye for now. See you in my next video.